Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a pool party flyer in Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So we click on the three dot icon, go to image size. So this is the size that we are going to be using. Press OK. We are going to import our resources from our gallery. We click on this. Okay, we head over to reduce the size and increase the size. Press the check mark. We're going to import another image from our gallery. Click on that. We click on this poolside image over here. Head over to the layer side, click and drag under this. Lock our layer. Yeah, we need to position it somewhere here. Let's lock our layer. Okay, import a shape, increase the size. Yeah, I'm going to change the color. We're going to pick a color from this one over here. Yeah, we're going to head over to opacity and we're going to reduce opacity a bit. Okay, we click and drag. Yeah, layer side and click and drag. Okay, import another resource from our gallery. Position it well. We lock our layer. Click on plus icon, go for another resource. We click on this balloon ball. We head over to reduce the size and head over to eraser. We're going to erase some parts so that it will mean like the other part is inside the water. Increase the softness and we brush off some parts of the ball. Reduce the size and we position it somewhere here. Lock our layer. Import another image. Reduce the size. Okay, we lock our layer. Import another image. Yeah. We head over to eraser. We're going to brush off some parts of the image. Okay. Click and drag. Yeah, import this water splash over here. Okay, reduce the size and position it here. Import the other one. Click on that. We rotate it. Press the check mark. Reduce the size and position it to the other end. Lock our layer. We're gonna click on import our text. That's the pool party. Go to relative size, then increase the size. going to bring it up. Select the other one too, then we push it up. Okay, we're gonna make a duplicate of the other one and position it inside the test or on the test. Okay, we lock our layer. Click on a plus icon, import a shape or bring on board a shape. Increase the radius, enable your grid lines. Yeah, enable your grid lines and make sure you position it well. You turn it to a custom shape. Yeah. We're gonna make a duplicate of this shape. Reduce back the opacity, the radius, and we're gonna make a custom shape. Make a duplicate, click on edit and move it to the other end. Yeah, you push it up. Okay, yeah, we gotten what you want, so we're gonna lock our layers. Okay, import another image from our gallery. Yeah, increase the size. Gonna lock our layer. So we're going to select some part, then remove it down a bit. Yeah, so we're gonna move it down. So yeah, something like this. Okay, gonna import or bring on board a test. Yeah, reduce the size and position it somewhere here. Okay, make a duplicate and increase the size and position it somewhere here. All right, yeah, lock our layer as well. Go back to the test and click on edit. Yeah, so I have the test on my clipboard, so I'll just paste it there. Gonna reduce the size and we change the color. Alright, so we're gonna make another. Yeah, reduce the size. Okay, so we're gonna make a duplicate. Let's make a duplicate of this test. Position it somewhere here. Okay, and I'll just paste the test on my clipboard. Salanuna guest house or hotel, Cape Coast, not Ola. Make another duplicate, paste. No, okay, yeah, click on edit and we're gonna paste the time or the date. Sorry, the date for the program. Yeah, it's 10 February 2024. Okay, position it well. We're gonna use relative position. bring it down. Okay, we head over to edit and we're gonna type the time is 2 p.m. right? Yeah. We head over to fonts. Okay, let's position it well. Then we head over to fonts. Yeah. Stretch Sans, that is a font that we used for the 2 p.m. Okay, let's reduce the size and we position it well. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay. Select the other one, we head over to fonts, Montserrat regular. Going to head over to spacing and reduce line spacing. Reduce the size. We head over back to line spacing. I'm gonna space the text a bit. We're gonna do the same thing to the other one, so yeah, that's it. Like we did for the other one. Yeah, I made a mistake. I should have made a duplicate of the first one. Yeah, but all the same, we change the font to the Stretch Sans. Reduce the size and we're gonna position it well. All right, yeah. We're gonna make okay. A line that can separate the text. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do over here. I'll change the color to the blue color over there. Then I'll make a duplicate, then place it to the other end. Okay, this is what I want to do. I made a duplicate, and I'll position it there. Click on edit. I'll paste this text over here. That's it. For more info, I'm gonna change the color to white. Yeah, I'll select the date and make a duplicate. And I'll position it here. Go to edit and I'm gonna edit text packages include, and make sure I position it well. Yeah. All right, I'll make another duplicate. Move it down. Move it. Okay. Click on edit. Then we type venue. Yeah. make another duplicate, push it down to the circle. Okay, yeah, that's it. Then we're gonna proceed. Go to edit, then we're gonna type something over here. Increase the size. Okay, position it all. Okay, let's edit. Okay, yeah, let's change it to caps. I'm gonna reduce the size. Okay, I'll head over to alignment and align, center align it. Gonna position it all. Alright, yeah, so I think we are done. Thanks for watching.